Hey everybody, this is Jack Fruh from SharePointJack.com. Today I've got a great little video that shows you how to set up a PowerShell script to run as a scheduled task. Now this is using out-of-the-box Windows functionality with their task scheduler. It only takes about 2 minutes to show you, so have a look, and hopefully within no time you'll have your own scripts running automatically like once a week and doing maintenance tasks for you and what have you. So have a look. What I've got here is you can see me running a script to turn versioning on, and it would be great, for example, if we could get this to run once a week so that if somebody creates a new list and they don't turn versioning on, we can kind of come back and clean up what they did and add versioning. So what we'll do here is we're going to go to the administrative tools and we're going to go to task scheduler. And then we'll click on the task scheduler library. That's where the scripts actually show up on the right hand side there. You see that? We'll go ahead and choose to create a new task and give it a name. So we'll call this enable versions. And now on the triggers tab, we'll go ahead and set something that's going to trigger this. So this is going to be, for example, a weekly task. So we'll just tell it to run every Sunday. And pick the current time and everything as well. Now in the actions task, this is where we're going to pick the PowerShell executable. That's in C, Windows, System 32. And I think it's called Windows PowerShell. It should be down at the bottom here. Let's see if we can find it. There we go. Windows PowerShell, V1, and then PowerShell.exe. That V1, by the way, that's going to happen even if you're in PowerShell 2 or PowerShell 3. Now our argument is going to be the full path and name of the script. So our script is called enableversions.ps1. So let me just select that there so I don't have to type it in. We'll do a Control-C. We'll come over here and do a Control-V to paste that in. And now I'm going to start it in the C scripts folder as well so that if the enable version script has anything running from the current directory, that works fine. Conditions and settings, we'll go ahead and leave that for the most part blank. Generally, I don't expect this task to run longer than 3 days, so we'll go ahead and set that up. We do want to say run whether the user is logged in or not. And now we have to type in our password whenever we make a change here. So we'll go ahead and put that in. And now let's just test it. We're going to right click on the task and we're going to say run. So let's go ahead and do that there. We'll just kind of resize a little bit here so we can see what's going on. There we go. You can see right now there's no last run result. We'll right click on that. We'll say run. And now let's scroll over to the right a little bit so we can see what it says. There we go. Oh, I think I hit F5 on the keyboard when I recorded this. So it says the task is currently running. So just hit F5 a couple more times. There you go. It says the operation completed successfully, and that tells us that the script ran in the background. All right, so that wasn't so hard, right? It's pretty easy to set up a PowerShell script to run on some kind of a timed basis, like weekly or what have you. And I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to do it. My name's Jack Fruh from SharePointJack.com. If you'd like to send me an email, my address is jack@SharePointJack.com. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.